God.
I want some real food.
Real food? Shit. You got some money?
No, I don't have any money.
I think I got a little bit on me. How much you need? Like 5 or something?
Yeah, 5 will do.
Alright.
So.
Let's see. Should have some. Damn.
Some money?
I could have sworn I had some. Where my money go?